Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be doing this hair review from Hairsmarket. Now this video I tried to make sure that it was as detailed as possible. So I'm just going to be showing you everything that came with the hair. I've gotten a lot of requests about this hair from my Instagram and also the last video that I uploaded. Everyone wanted to know where the hair is from. So once you open the bag, the first thing that you see is this like a card just showing you all about the brand, the types of hair that is stocked, and also they added like a crochet net. I don't know why. I don't use that for anything, so that won't really be useful for me. And then the bag that shows the hair. I got this hair, I think it's called Jerry Curl in 14 inches. I wanted something that was very like manageable, easy to work with, and just short because I have a lot of long hair already, or long hairs already. Now this is the hair. The first thing when I brought it was like proper black, which I liked. Then I'm just increasing the light on my camera so you guys can see the curl pattern. Everything was the same, and then I noticed that it was well padded. I've noticed that a couple of companies do this and I really don't know why. But the only thing I noticed here is just I noticed that the frontal part or the closure part, because it was individually ventilated, it was a bit more frizzy than the actual hair. The closure, I tried to fill the closure space, it was normal. Also, like as you can see, the cap space was a bit little. It wasn't as deep, so the sides are a bit shorter, but the middle is a lot longer. I would explain further in the video what I mean by that. So here I'm just putting on my hair just to see how it fits. It fits okay. I'm tucking at the back of my head, just saying the pattern that I want to do, and so far I already like this hair. Also, I noticed that the front part had been customized a bit. I'm going to show you up close now, but I'm still going to go further in and I'm still going to customize it like extra because this looks customized, but once you lay it on your head, you see that it's going to look very wiggy and we don't want that. So to customize your frontal or your wig, the first thing you're going to do is just to spray with water. I'm just using a Denman brush, which is really great for curly hair, and I'm combing it away, and then I'm just going to pluck a bit. I'm still going to, fit it on my head as I'm plucking as I go, just to see if I've plucked enough per section, meaning the sides and the center. So as you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm just going to speed it up now. Pluck a bit, lift your hand, pluck again, like just leave an inch gap every time you pluck. Basically that's what I'm doing, self-explanatory. Also, please feel free to add more water where you just want it to be sleek, just to see how it looks, which is what I'm doing here. So it's repetitive. I just begin to pluck. I usually, pay more attention to the middle side because that usually has the most density and it looks the least natural. So as you can see it on my head, like compare the before to now, see how much more natural it looks. I'm just looking at my sideburns just to be sure that I don't need to tweeze anything further. So you just want to check if you have any issues, you just go back and tweeze, but I'm content with how it looks now. So the next thing we're going to do is obviously to bleach the knots so that it looks more natural. You guys have done this a gazillion times. I'm going to do it again so that you guys can see, especially for my new subscribers. You just want to turn your lace inside out, and then you want to get your bowl, your developer, your bleach powder. I'm going to actually put the names of the products that I'm using because I've had someone ask me before. So I'm just using about a spoon of bleach powder and added just like literally like 4 tablespoons of developer, and you mix it to be sticky, right? Not runny like pap, just thick enough. And then I'm just laying it, I'm buttering it on my frontal part, not the entire head, just where the lace is. And you want to ensure that you cover all the edges. And then once that's done, you're just going to leave it. And I'm going to time it definitely. So I'm going to time it for 15 minutes. I'm using 30 volume developer, so this is just right. If you're using 40 volume, I want to do it less, just depending on your hair. Once that's done, you just want to wash it with regular water. I didn't use any shampoo, just water. That's what I used first. And then I'm just going to be using a Denman brush just to ensure that there are no tangles in the hair, because I'm going to apply shampoo to it now. And I just believe that shampoo mats up hair sometimes. So I'm going to be using purple shampoo. You guys, this is your best friend. It removes every brassiness. It tones the hair. You know when people bleach hair, you can see maybe red. We don't want that. And I'm using this brand that I absolutely love. It's called Provoke. Literally one of the best, if not the best, purple shampoo I've used. Just follow the instructions properly. So I'm just going to apply it on the lace parts everywhere that we bleach, and I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes. Like, you want to rub it on everywhere. Be careful, you should be wearing gloves because I don't know if it stains. I didn't use gloves, but as you can see, the back says 5 minutes, so leave it for 5 minutes. After that is done, you just want to wash it off, and I obviously want to wash it with a regular conditioner. I'm using my Truzone Moisture Rich just to ensure that there's a lot of moisture locked in the hair. Now, after this is washed and conditioned, I'm going in with my Denman brush again, and then I'm just going to remove any other tangles just to ensure that all the hair that we twisted out initially is out of the hair. So here I'm just, removing all the hair that I combed out. Can you see it's not too bad? The shedding is not too bad, which is good for curly hair because curly hair always sheds. So now I'm just putting the hair in a towel and I'm just trying to wring it just to towel dry it. Now you can decide to leave it to dry naturally, or if you're impatient, you can decide to dry it with a blow dryer. It's up to you, on cool setting, on hot setting. So that is done. That's just what you want to do. And then you can decide to tint your lace, but I'm just going ahead to just cut off the excess lace from the hair. Can you see? So I'm just gonna be, curving my hand. I'm using manicure scissors, and I'm just going to cut it gently, just to ensure that there are ridges on the hair, not cutting it straight across. And then I'm just gonna show you the lace that came out. Can you see? It's all curvy, and that's all. Then I'm just gonna go in and lay it on my head with my Ghost Bond. No, I used Bold Hold, pardon me. And this is it laid on my head. I haven't scarfed it down, and I just put some powder in my parting. The light above me is making the parting look orange, but it's my exact color. So here what I'm just doing is using like butterfly clamps to just clamp it away, and then I'm putting like some got2b spray just to hold it a little bit further down before I scarf it down with just my regular chiffon scarf. So that's what I'm doing here. At this point, you can decide to just, leave the hair the way it is and just comb it out. And once it's laid, you can just wear it out. But I decided not to. I decided to go in with a spray bottle and just properly define the curls so that you guys can see the hair in its true glory when it's like damp, not wet. I'm just going to go in with some water and then my Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie, just applying it properly from root to tip, and then you can use the same Denman brush just to ensure that it's properly distributed. So I'm just going to do all of that, and it's just repetitive, spray water, apply the hair cream or the smoothie on the hair, just the detangling milk, and just ensure that the entire hair is like well drenched before you apply the product. So I'm just gonna keep quiet and you guys are gonna watch me do this process, and then when I'm done I'm gonna come back. Okay? So here I'm just going to be taking a wet look gel. That just helps to just, lock everything up and so that it doesn't dry up on time and just further define the curls. So I'm also applying the got2b spray on the parting just so that if there are any flyaways, it stays put. I'm just turning the back of the hair and ensuring that, just ensure that everywhere is properly brushed really. That's what we're doing. So once that's done, I'm just showing the amount of, shedding that came out after I've brushed rigorously, which is also still not bad. And then I'm just going to take like a shine spray and just like an oil sheen really, but it's the Swatch hair tonic. I'm just going to put my hair in a low bun and go and do my slight simple makeup and then come back. So this is how it looks. It looks very nice and cute. It's a very, very nice everyday hair. This hair has 0 to none maintenance. I'm going out with my friends shortly for lunch. So this is what I'm going to wear. This is just how the hair looks. I'm just literally modeling it. I'm going to come back and I'm going to say something. Like, I'm just showing you the side now, actually. And look at how it is. Very well laid. In fact, the day I went out, the breeze was blowing so much. And I'm so happy that I laid this hair properly because everything was in place. So here, I just put off the lights so you guys can see how it looks normally. And it still looks good. And yeah, the hair is cute. I really, really like it. I usually don't wear earrings that much. So I'm gonna look for maybe like a small stud to wear. I'm gonna wear my coat because it's getting really chilly. That's why I have my turtleneck on. So yeah, the hair is good. Obviously it shed a bit. I didn't throw away but I've told you guys that's normal with curly hair. I think it shed just because of the tweezing and also like the combing consecutively with the Denman brush. But otherwise the hair is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I really, really like it. I hope this camera is doing, you know, justice to it. Let me see, is there any corner of the hair that I don't like? Yes, the parting space, only the middle part is really wide, other side is just about this wide, which you would have seen from the beginning. But overall the hair is pretty. I think it's really nice. You could wear it back, see, you could wear it up. Let me see, obviously I'll have to do my sideburns. But you can wear it up, you can do whatever you want to do. You can wear it as a center part, but obviously you guys know this is my signature. I'm going to tuck it behind my ears. I really like it. I feel like the next time I'm going to wear it, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to wear it with red lipstick. So I'll be looking very, you know, I think exotic. That's the word. So yeah, I think this hair has little to zero maintenance. If you're going out with this hair, you won't have any problems. I'm not going to carry any brush, nothing. I'm just going to go, especially because the weather is cold, which is very nice for this kind of texture. So yes, that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, you share, you tell your friends about my channel, and you subscribe. Till next time, stay blessed. Bye.